So today we are starting a new topic, that is letter writing. Exam के अंदर आपका जो है वो letter का question किस तरह से आता है? There are two formats of the question. Alright? एक तो ये होता है कि a given situation, you will be given a situation. For example, last month you bought a laptop from HP shop in Centaurus, and after 1 week the laptop stopped working. You took the laptop to the outlet, but the manager or the technician or the guy on the counter over there, he refused to replace it or to accept any responsibility, and his behavior was quite rude. Now you have to write a letter to HP head office complaining about the behavior of their staff and the poor performance of their laptop. Right? This is a situation Yogi. Sometimes the addresses would be given. Your name is Umar Khan and you are a customer of Dell laptop or HP laptop, right? And you bought this thing, and now write a letter to Miss Sadaf Ali, marketing manager, HP Computers, 56 Mall Road, Lahore, full stop, right? So sometimes the addresses are given. If the addresses are not given, you have to, whether एक sentence लिखा हुआ होगा, you may assume necessary details, right? तो अब उसके अंदर necessary details क्या assume करनी है आपने? अपना designation assume करना है, right? For example, मुझे कोई बैंक से problem है, I'm like not happy with the services of the bank. Most of the time the app is down. तो मैं किसको लेटर लिखूंगा? किसको? बैंक, मतलब बैंक is not a person, right? Manager, bank manager. So I'll write letter to Mr. Haider Khan, right? Bank manager, F8 Markaz branch, Islamabad, right? This is आपने खुद से assume करना है. एक situation, for example, you ordered, you are this marketing manager of Metro Shoes, right? Metro Shoes Pakistan, and you ordered 100 pairs of shoes, but when you received them, unfortunately, all the boxes contain both the shoes of right foot. Got it? Yes. Now you have to write a letter to that shoe company who has provided, and their name is Fashion Shoe. They are in China, right? So उनका address आप assume कर लेंगे. Fashion Shoe, China का, you know the name of a city, Beijing, तो पता ही आपको. एक आध कोई और नाम याद कर लें चाइना किस तरह से, बट मोस्टली आपके जो इनलैंड लेटर्स होंगे. हर जगह पे माल रोड है, हर जगह पे जिना रोड है, हर जगह पे इकबाल रोड है, हर जगह पे फातिमा जिना रोड है, राइट? लियाकत अली खान रोड. तो इस तरह से कुछ बेसिक नाम्स आप नेम्स हैं आपके, उसको आप याद कर लें. सो लेटर्स सेकंड सिचुएशन वुड बी, एक के अंदर तो यू विल हैव अ सिचुएशन गिवन. सेकंड इज letter with mistakes is given. You are required to point out at least 5 mistakes and rewrite the letter. Right? एक letter दिया हुआ होगा, उसके अंदर there would be a lot of mistakes in the format of the letter. Right? Format में क्या क्या चीजें आती हैं? तिलावत लेटर के फॉर्मेट में क्या क्या चीजें आती हैं? आज क्या है? What is the date today? Date. Yes, date आती है, organization का नाम आता है, and all that thing I'll tell you. अच्छा, letter carries 15 marks. 15 marks है. 15 marks के अंदर 7 marks are for format and 8 marks are for the body. जो मैसेज आप कह रहे हैं एक्चुअल, कि आप किस तरह से पोलाइटली उनसे बात कर रहे हैं कि you took your grandfather for his appointment, but the reception staff told you the doctor was not available, and after making you wait for 30 minutes, he called a junior doctor who could not diagnose the problem well, and your grandfather was suffering with a lot of pain, his kidney and all that, right? So you're now writing a letter to किस तरह से आप उसको, you know, you are stupid, you don't understand me. This is one way of saying something, right? और this एक और चीज कहने की है, Perhaps I was unable to convey my message to you clearly. Right? Students cannot sit here. This is only for the faculty. Right? कोई function हो रहा है and you guys are sitting in the first row. तो आपको पहले एक दफा मना किया, आप उठे नहीं हैं. So instead of saying this thing, are you deaf? Can't you listen to me? So instead of like insulting him in front of 500 people, I am like going to him and I like smilingly I tell him, perhaps I was unable to convey my message to you properly. These seats are only for the faculty. मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि you cannot sit here. Implied message है. मतलब देखिए ना. For example, the room has 2 doors. It's okay. The room has 2 doors, right? तो मैं ये मुझे कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. Yes. BWCS की class.
Yes, sir.
You are from batch 13.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Sir,
Shirji. Normally the class starts at 10:30.
जी सर नहीं वो सर 11:30 बजे क्लास स्टार्ट होगी.
What courses are you taking? Only BWCS?
नो सर
हाँ.
सीए सर ये हमारे साथ
तो पिछले क्लास दी हुई आपकी?
सर सर देखो पहले के यार 30 तक स्टार्ट हो गया तो फिर आप भी सोचिए कि आओ तो हम मास्टर में क्लास
अच्छा. ओके. तो you ran to the class भाग के फिर मतलब.
यस
ओके. चल. आपको तो मुझे थोड़ा सा मतलब पसीना वगैरह आप ही तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता ये छोटे मोटे लोगों. यस. सो तो अब कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है, ये लेक्चर हो रहा है. एक डोर आप यूज नहीं कर सकते लेक्चर के दौरान. तो आई कैन इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग दिस थिंग यू कैन नॉट यूज द बैक डोर के बजाय ड्यूरिंग द लेक्चर प्लीज यूज द फ्रंट डोर ओनली. We are open on weekdays from 9 to 5. ये कहने की जरूरत नहीं है we are closed. Common sense. Okay, 5 दिन अगर ओपन है तो वो लिखा हुआ है, बाकी 2 दिन क्लोज होंगे ना. Got the point?
Yes.
So इस तरह से you have to say it in a positive way. Alright? तैयब ने अप्लाई किया है क्रेडिट कार्ड के लिए. अब we cannot give credit card to the students. We can give credit card to the people who have a proper like salary and who have like 6 months at least 6 months work experience. तो मैं तैयब को ये नहीं कहूँगा कि you are not eligible for the credit card. I would ask him, the credit card is only given to people who have been employed for at least 6 months and are drawing a salary of minimum 50,000 per month. Or the age limit for credit card is minimum 25 years. He is not 25. But I'm not saying it. Right? So you can apply back once the age limit is fulfilled. I cannot open your bank account. Listen to this. I cannot open your bank account because you have not sent a copy of your CNIC. इसमें से जरा not निकाल दें. इसको जरा positive बनाएं. Message वही होना चाहिए. We cannot open your bank account because you have not sent a copy of your CNIC. इसको जरा positive बनाएं.
CNIC is required for making a bank account.
A valid CNIC is mandatory to open a bank account, right? So if you could send it to us today, or you can you can email it to us also at this email address by the end of the day, and I'll personally make sure that your account gets opened or becomes operational before tomorrow morning. Got the point? It's not what you say, it's how you say it. Right? You are talking, get up, get out, get lost. That's very insulting. Right? I think you two have more important things to discuss, so it would be better if you could discuss it in the common room. And when this problem is sorted, then you can join us. Please. Insulting wo bhi hai. Right? Insulting, मतलब they won't feel very proud of it. Right? लेकिन वो positive वाली बेइज्जती है. ठीक है? तो आपको जो है वो you have to be tactful because it is business communication. All right? So, do you understand these two things? या ये आएगा, choice नहीं होगी आपके पास. Essay के अंदर you have choice. एक टॉपिक दिया होगा affinity plus essay के लिए, एक टॉपिक दिया होगा फिश बोन प्लस ऐसे के लिए, यू हैव अ चॉइस टू डू वन ऑफ दोज थिंग्स, लेकिन लेटर राइटिंग के लिए नो चॉइस एट ऑल। बाकी पेपर में 100% चॉइस वही है, डू इट और नॉट, वो आपकी मर्जी है ना कि whether you want to do it or not, nobody can force you, right? But पेपर मतलब आई कैट की तरफ से कोई चॉइस नहीं है। ऑलराइट, लेटर राइटिंग के लिए जो पहली चीज यू शुड नो, दैट इज formation of sentences, right? Even this would help you in your essay writing also, right? Remember, remember, no sentence of English language is complete without a verb. Verb is a must in a sentence, right? In the first sentence, what do we have here? What is this? What is this called in grammar? Pronoun. Okay, yes. Why is this pronoun used here? सुना नहीं क्या कहा किसी ने? Exactly. So say subject because it is performing the action, right? So this is a subject. What is this? Verb. All right. Has been helping verb, object, type. All right. आप अक्सर सिग्नल के ऊपर देखते हैं ना, स्टॉप लिखा होता है वहां पे, या सिग्नल नहीं है, चौक है, वैसे तो स्टॉप लिखा हुआ है। वो स्टॉप किसके लिए लिखा हुआ है? वो हर उसके लिए लिखा हुआ है who is ड्राइविंग या वहां पे जो आ रहा है। यू स्टॉप नहीं लिखा होगा, राइट? इस तरह से कहता हूँ ओके नाउ आई विल डिक्टेट यू समथिंग, यू हैव टू राइट, ओके? I start dictating and he's not writing and I say write. So only verb can also communicate the entire meaning in a sentence, okay? Now, you know there are 4 types of sentences. Acha, ek aur cheez. Write a sentence. My brother has a watch. What's your name? Sharjeet. ये BWCS का पोर्शन कौन सा है?
स्टार्ट नहीं किया, पहले क्लास में पढ़ा ऐसा नहीं था।
Okay, ठीक है। My brother has a watch. What is the verb in this sentence? Verb नहीं है sentence में, तो it means it's not a sentence, because I just told you that you need to have a verb in a sentence. Must have verb कौन सा? Helping verb है? Good point. Helping verb जो है वो इसमें helping verb नहीं है. It's the main verb. If the main verb is missing from a sentence, helping verb becomes the main verb. Helping verb sentence में सिर्फ उस वक्त आएगा जब already कोई verb भी sentence के अंदर है. Got it? Right? Another sentence. My brother has bought a watch. Got it? B capital T. Has bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought a new watch. Bought a watch. Yes. So, give a check. How about this sentence? Does it have a verb? Which one? What is the verb in this sentence? Bought. Okay. What is has then? Yes. Because in this sentence, you have verb and the auxiliary helping verb also. It's also called all this, right? So helping verb भी है और verb भी है. If there is, जब verb होगा तो automatically वो अपनी जगह पे आ जाएगा, ये अपनी जगह पे, it will go back to its own place. That is helping verb. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, types of sentences. The first type is simple sentence, right? Ali lives in Lahore. That is a simple sentence. Why is it a simple sentence? Because it has one subject and one object, right? So, sometimes we have compound subject. Ali and Umar live in Lahore, right? Or Ali lives in Lahore and Islamabad, right? Sometimes he's in Lahore, sometimes in Islamabad. तो compound object भी हो सकता है, compound subject भी हो सकता है, but it has only one verb in it. हमेशा simple sentence के अंदर. Second is